Hey, viewers, Neil deGrasse Tyson here. Ever wondered if octopuses can actually predict the future? Like, could they pick the winning lottery numbers or know tomorrow's weather? Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment for a chance to win a trip to Japan, the land of these amazing creatures. Octopuses are already known for their incredible intelligence and camouflage skills. But some people believe they have an even more incredible ability, predicting the future. Is this science fiction, or could there be some truth to these claims? Let's dive into the deep end and investigate. We'll explore famous cases like Paul the Octopus, who became a global sensation during the 2010 World Cup. Get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover the mysteries of these cephalopod superstars. Back in 2010, the world was captivated by Paul the Octopus. This wasn't just any octopus. Paul was a psychic sensation. Living in a German aquarium, Paul correctly predicted the outcomes of multiple World Cup matches. His method? Choosing between two boxes of food, each representing a different team. Paul's accuracy was astonishing, correctly choosing the winner in 12 out of 14 matches. This incredible feat made him a global celebrity, with millions eagerly awaiting his predictions. Was it just luck? Or did Paul possess some uncanny ability to see into the future? While skeptics argue it was simply random chance, Paul's story continues to fascinate and fuel the debate about octopus intelligence. Octopuses are incredibly smart creatures. They have 9 brains. One central brain coordinates everything, while 8 smaller brains control each arm. This gives them amazing dexterity and problem-solving abilities. They're masters of camouflage, changing color and texture to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. They can even squeeze their bodies through tiny spaces thanks to their lack of bones. Octopuses have been known to open jars, solve mazes, and even recognize individual humans. Their intelligence is undeniable, but does this mean they can predict the future? To answer that, we need to look at what science has to say. Section 4, Science versus Speculation. Can they really see the future? While Paul the Octopus's predictions were impressive, scientists remain skeptical. They argue that octopuses, while intelligent, don't possess any magical future-seeing abilities. Paul's success could be attributed to random chance or even a preference for certain colors or patterns on the boxes. There's no scientific evidence to suggest that octopuses can predict events like sporting matches. However, the lack of evidence doesn't completely rule out the possibility. Octopuses continue to amaze us with their intelligence, and further research might reveal even more surprising abilities. Section 5. Conclusion. Fact or fiction? So, can octopuses predict the future? For now, the answer seems to be more fiction than fact. While Paul the Octopus's story is captivating, it's important to rely on scientific evidence. Octopuses are undoubtedly intelligent creatures with remarkable abilities. Their problem-solving skills, camouflage expertise, and complex nervous systems make them a fascinating subject of study. While they might not be psychic predictors, their intelligence continues to intrigue and inspire us. Keep exploring, space cadets, and remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.